Yo, what is going on, guys? Beyond Gamer here. So, today I'm gonna teach you how to get unlimited coins and gems on Clash of Clans. Here we go. Okay, so guys, so to get Clash of Clans, first, just wait. Okay. So get an app called Planix Clash. So all you want to do is you go to Safari, you look up planixclash.co, and then it brings you to this website here. So it says the best Clash of Clans in Clash Royale private server. But you can do that too, but I'm going to show you guys how to get unlimited coins. So, yeah. So what you want to do is you have all these things. You can download everything. Planix Clash. So, it's creative, fast, stable, user-friendly, no connection error, and Android and iOS. So, I'll show you guys what to do. Scroll down all the way till you get the App Store and Google Play. Just hit App Store. Wait for it to load. Okay, scroll down again. App Store. Think. Okay, App Store again. Okay, here we go. Until this comes up. It says Planix Royale IPA. So what you want to do is hit download. It still downloads it. And this should be appear on your home screen. So you see, here you go. You have unlimited everything. Just to let you know. Go in army. Yeah, I have to upgrade my town hall. I'm at 11. This is my town hall. Now you can get everything. You can get everything. So, see, everything's like 1. So, I suggest go on here and so if you go on defenses, you find these things. You won't essentially find them in the regular game. I prefer not to use them so you don't get banned. So don't use the things that have the dashes. You can use. Yeah, you can use this stuff without the dashes, but if you go ahead and use it if you want. I'm not saying you will get banned, but it increases that. I've never been banned from getting stuff, but I don't think you can connect to Facebook. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and yeah, see you guys in the next video. Turn on post notifications to see more videos like this. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.